Hi there, this is Deepika and welcome to my channel Candid Woman, which is all about us. Today's video is about a review and demo of IFB fully automatic front load washing machine. I have purchased this washing machine around 10 months back from Amazon and I find myself quite eligible to give honest review. So let's dig in. I purchased this washing machine from Amazon and it got delivered very next day of ordering it, but I had to wait around 3 days for installation. I have no complaints so far regarding installation, delivery or packaging. All was good. At the time of installation, they asked us to buy washing machine stand, cover, cleaning powder, etc. But I found that it was quite expensive than what we get in Amazon. So I dropped that idea. Personally, I don't prefer using stand or cover or any sort of thing. But yeah, cleaning powder is very necessary for washing machine to maintain it. So hopefully I'll make one video in future regarding how to clean washing machine thoroughly. But for the time being, let's talk about this washing machine. This is the Senetor WXS 6.5 kg front load fully automatic washing machine. The thing that we get with this washing machine are manual, drain hose, water inlet pipe, protection mesh, etc. There are many washing machines in the market, but this one has got highest review and is best seller in Amazon. And customer service of IFB is also very good. And they have many branches of customer service points. The advantage of front load washing machine is that it takes very less space. Earlier when I had semi-automatic washing machine, it took whole place from here. As you can see, there are plenty of space left after keeping this washing machine, and I have placed one laundry basket also here. And also, compared to the other washing machine, front load washing machine has less consumption of water and electricity, and also it produces very less noise and chances of clothes damage is also very less. The main features of this washing machine are it has got inbuilt heater and water softener. You can delay the washing cycle from 30 minutes to 24 hours later as per your convenience. Also, it has got high and low voltage protection in case of there is electricity fluctuation. Program pause and resumes itself when electricity level is stabilized. And of course, child lock, which is most important if you have kids in your home. Now let's talk about the demo. I will start from the top left corner. This is a detergent dispenser where you can pull it like this. It has got 3 slots. First left slot is for detergent liquid or powder, pre-soaking agent or any stain remover, whatever is required. I use 1 scoop of detergent powder with 1 cup of vanish for 6.5 kgs of load. The second compartment is for cloth whitener. I use Ujala, and third is for fabric softener. You have to fill it up before starting wash cycle. Now this is the pre-programmed setting which has got 14 settings like express wash, woolens, baby wear, cotton normal, cradle wash, etc., which has got different timing and different capacity. Like for example, the cotton normal setting which I use on daily basis got 1 hour and 57 minutes with 6.5 kg capacity. If I select for example woolens, then it has got 55 minutes of timing and 2 kgs of capacity. So like this, every setting has got different capacity and different timing. This side here you can see this is switch on and switch off button. This is start and pause button. This is spin control 1000 here. This is maximum 1. It starts from 400, 600, 800 to 1000, and this is the temperature control. See, it is cold now. 30, 40, 60, 95 is the maximum. So here this is the option button. You can see pre-wash, soak, extra rinse, hot rinse, time saver and delay start. So if you want to wash on cotton normal cycle, it is showing 1 hour and 57 minutes. But if I'll select for time saver, like press the button option until you reach to the time saver and then select, now it is showing just 1 hour and 19 minutes. So this is how we can save the time. Now this is the place where you put your clothes for washing. Obviously, once you start the cycle, this door will not open until the water drain completely from here. And finally, this is the place where you can drain water manually. You need to use this when there is no power and you need some cloth urgently. There is one pipe given here and a nozzle on top of it. You have to pull it out and drain water from here. Then you will be able to open this door. After the washing machine cycle, clothes are already dry around 70%, which is very useful in monsoon or city like Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, where there are no space to dry your clothes. A fully automatic washing machine is a lifesaver. You don't have to do anything extra, just a single click and everything is done by itself. So all in all, purchasing fully automatic washing machine is a good deal. I will leave the specification and product links down below in the description box. And if you have any questions or queries related to this video, feel free to comment. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.